All right, so this is lesson 7.5, parallel pictures and measures. So which of the following is true when parallel lines are cut by a transversal? So when we take a look, and I'm going to go back and use kind of a I'm just going to use one of our pictures down here. Alternate vertical angles are supplementary. That is not true because they're always equal to each other. Alternate exteriors are supplementary. So if I'm looking, that would be like down here, and they're actually going to be equal to each other because when I slide, they're going to be across. Alternate interiors are complementary. Complementary means they add up to 90, so that would be a really special situation. And the last one, corresponding, have the same measure. Corresponding are in the same spot, so they are going to be the same. For number 2, we're going to clump and slide. So I'm going to clump up here, noticing my parallel lines are a little funny looking, and I'm going to slide the X over. It's in the bottom right, so it's going to go right here. Those two angles are a linear pair, so I'd be doing 180 minus 70, and that's going to give me 110 for that angle X. Clump and slide solve for X, so if I'm right here, sliding my X down, it's going to go right here, and since they are across from each other, they're vertical, so X is going to be equal to 98 degrees here. For question number 4, I don't even need to clump and slide because it's only in one clump. They are, in fact, a linear pair, so I'm doing 180 minus 125, and that's going to give me 55 degrees for X then. In question 5, fill all the missing angles in the two different sets of angle clumps. So I'm going to start here in the solid line 1. I need to look at the clump down here at the bottom. This is 100. I know this is also 100 because they're vertical. These two are a linear pair, which means they have to add up to be 180 degrees, and these two across from each other are vertical. Once I have this, I can basically copy and paste up here. So I have 100 degrees, 80 degrees, 100 degrees, and 80 degrees. Over in the dashed line 1, I'm going to start here at the 98. So I'm going to start off with the vertical angle, because that's the easiest to do. So that's 98 degrees. These two up top here are linear pairs. So if I do 180 minus the 98, I'm going to end up with 82 degrees. So that's going to go right here. And then vertically across from it, that's also 82 degrees. It's clumped, so I'm going to go ahead, copy and paste down here. So I have 98, 82, 98, and 82 again for this one in number 5. And that's it for lesson 7.5 then.